are highly welcome to my channel once again today. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, or today is your first time of watching my video, let me officially introduce myself to you. My name is Olites from Global FX, and as I said just now, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel or watching my video, do me that favor and smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload content like this, you will be among those that will be notified that I have dropped a valuable content. All right. So without wasting much of our time, today I am going to share with you guys another powerful sharp strategy that you are going to use in trading, be it stepping there, be it volatility, be it boom and crash. All right. So I want you to just grab the necessary information here and go out there and practice it and use it and make money. All right. So meanwhile, before going live, make sure I always put this disclaimer before you go live. Make sure you practice on your demo account. All right. Make sure you practice as much as you can on your demo account before going live. All right. So without wasting much of our time, make sure you stick from the beginning of this video to the end and watch all the details so that you'll be able to know what are the functions of these indicators. All right. So that's that, guys. Without wasting much of our time, as I said earlier on, let's dive into the video. Let me show you how everything works. This video is not going to be long. All right. Let's dive into the video. Let me show you how it works. This is the first confirmation, guys. All right. This is the first confirmation. Whenever you see our MACD and our CCI crossed each other like this, that is the first confirmation, guys. That is the first confirmation. And if it crossed together, if both of them cross each other at the level of this 15, all right, that is the first confirmation. All right. Now when you look at our main chart here, if you look on our main chart here, what you are going to see is you will see one black line inside here. All right. And you will see our Bollinger Bands. All right. I will share the settings with you guys any moment from now. All right. Just stick with me and I will do that right way. All right. This is how it works. As I said earlier on, when you see these two lines, this our CCI and our MACD cross each other at the level of 15. All right. And you look at the main chart, you spot that this our black line, this black line here, this moving average inside here crossed the center line of our Bollinger Band. That is the second confirmation, and that is where you will open your trade. Now let me make it clearer. Before this particular two line will cross each other at this level here, this black line, all right, this our CCI has crossed this our 50 level here. You can see our 50 level, a red line here, that's crossed this. All right. So you will see something like this. You will see something like this. This is where you will take your trade, and this is where you will TP. You will TP at 85. All right. You will TP at 85. That is it, guys. Please do not try to do things your own way. Follow my instructions if you really want to make money from this market. I've been in this market for several years. I know what I'm telling you. I know what I'm teaching you. So follow my instruction properly and make sure you apply all the necessary requirements. All right. So that's that. So let's use our cross bar. Let me show you what I'm saying. This is where the crossover happened, right? And you can see you can attest to what I'm saying here. Look at it. You see that the particular place that the crossover happened here, that is when this black line crossed this our 50 level here. All right, the black line crossed this our 50 level, which is red line here, and you see it here. And understand this, what CCI really means, or what is really doing in our indicator settings is this. Whenever this CCI is probably above 50, all right, it is showing you a solid uptrend. And if it is below 50, you will notice that it is a real solid downtrend. All right, it all depends on the settings, not all. It all depends on the settings. And for you to avoid fake signals and fake breakouts, please, please make sure you follow my instruction, please. Now, if you have to go by right, probably many people will say, okay, since the crossover happened at the expected zone here, which is at the level of 15, and the MACD and the CCI crossed each other here, that they are going to open their trade. Fine, you can open your trade, all right, you can open your trade, but just know that anything can happen as far as this CCI line is below this 50 level. All right, so that's that, guys. Let me show you at least buy position, and look at where the market is consolidating. Look at what the CCI is doing here. All right, look at what the CCI is doing here. You go up, you come down, you go up, you come down. It's not regular. Look at it here. If you look here, you will see what has been going on here. All right, so now let me show you a downtrend here. Look at this. Look at the crossover here. All right, then look at where the MACD and the CCI crossed each other. They are at the same zone. All right, you can see that. Now this is for sell. So if you are selling, you must allow the MACD and CCI cross each other at the level of 85. Please do not try to be smart and do things your own way, please. All right, so follow my instruction properly. Look at what I just illustrated right now. So now, if you open your position, if you open your position somewhere here that the crossover happened, and this is where you're supposed to open that position, not here. This is the first confirmation. Do not forget. All right, do not forget, this crossover at the level of 985 is the first confirmation towards sell, just as it is on our buy requirements. The same thing applies on a sell. All right, so now, since this is the first the first confirmation, the second confirmation should be somewhere here, and let's measure that and see if it's really what we are talking. Look at from the crossover here to this zone. You see that now, as soon as you get this crossover here and you see the crossover here, that is our first confirmation. Then what did we discuss? You wait until this price crosses this 50 level here. As soon as the price crosses this 50 level, then you will now take your sell and exit at 15. All right, you exit at the 15 zone or the 15 level. All right, that is where you exit the market. All right, so but if you are a professional, or you have the knowledge of trading, you already know how to trade, you are just looking for an assistance indicator or assistance strategy, you can't be watching your trade and be adjusting your stop loss. All right, you can't be watching your trade and adjusting your stop loss. What I mean by that is you will be trailing your profit. All right, if it happens to hop in somewhere here. All right, now when the market moves to this zone here, you have to move your your stop loss to this place. By so doing, you have already trapped profit at back here. do not forget you have already trapped profit back here. So as the market keeps going down, you keep moving your stop loss. Right? You keep moving your stop loss. What you are doing in essence is this: if the market eventually starts going against you, whenever it gets to this your stop loss, it will take you out of the trade already. You have locked some profits. All right, so that is it, guys. That's how it works. So do not try to trade everything that you see, and do not be greedy. All right, do not be greedy. Make sure you follow my instruction properly, and make use of this simple strategy. It's very, very simple, but for many people it is complicated. They cannot use it. They don't know how to. Just follow my instruction. Look at another requirement here. Look at the level of 15, the MACD and the CCI meet our requirement at this level here, 15, and look at the crossover here. So that is the first confirmation. Then we wait for the second confirmation, which is the CCI line to be above our 50 line, and that is where we are going to take our buy position, and we exit at 85. But if you are a professional, as I just stated right now, do the same thing. Open your position and be watching your position. Whenever the price as the price keeps going up, you keep adjusting your stop loss. All right, and you keep adjusting your stop loss, and whenever the market wants to start going against you, you exit the market. Or if it comes back and hit your stop loss, it will take you out of the market. Then you have already locked some profits. So that's that, guys. Let me share the settings with you guys before signing out. All right, so usually you click on this F icon here. When you click on the F icon here, and the first indicator that you are going to add should be our RSI. Right? When you click on the RSI, the period is 1, apply to weighted close, style 4 pixel. I use black, and I use black anyway. You can use color of your choice, and the levels here. Right, our levels here is 85 and 15, and this is where you add level. All right, this is where you add your level. So when you're through setting it up, you click turn. Then the second indicator, you go to the F icon again, you add our MACD. All right, you add this MACD in our indicator window 1. Now look at the fast EMA is 20 for the settings. The fast EMA is 20, the slow EMA is 45. Then MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. Main 4 pixel. I use green. You can use color of your choice. Signal line, I use blue. As I said earlier on, you can use color of your choice, and when you are through setting it up, you click turn. And the last but not the least in the indicator window 1 is our CCI. You click on the F icon here, you add our CCI. All right, look at the settings of the CCI. The period is 50, apply to close, style is 4 pixel. I used black as well. You can use color of your choice, and when you're through, you click turn. So this is how your indicator window 1 is going to look like. All right, so this is how your indicator window 1 is going to look like. Then on our main chart, you click on the F icon again. The first indicator to be added is our moving average. All right, you impute moving average on our main chart, and the period is 11, shift is 0, method linear weight, apply to close, pixel 4 pixel. I use black. You can use color of your choice, and when you're through, you click turn. And the last but not the least to be added on our main chart is you click F icon again, you go to the Bellica bands. The period is 20. Sorry, the period is 20. Then deviation is 2.005. All right, get it right, please. All right, get it right. The deviation is 2.005. Shift 0, apply to close. Then style is 4 pixel. I use pink. You can use color of your choice, and when you are through, you click down. All right, so this is how your chart is going to look like. All right, this is how your chart is going to look like, and this is step index. This is step index. I'm using 5 minute time frame, all right, to show you that I am really trying to help you guys out. This is a 5 minute time frame. You can do a very quick scalping with this, all right. And the zoom level that I'm using is zoom level 3, all right. I'm using zoom level 3. So that's that, guys. That's that. If you find this video helpful, as I said earlier on, do not hesitate to give this video thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And if you are already my subscriber, I hear you, I appreciate you. You are the best. You are the best. So that's that, guys. Signing out. Holy test. Peace.